Bros, artist,
My brother, we thank God. We thank God for life. We thank God for everything.
we really appreciate
Great. I
God.
beg, before we go start, give us one of your music. Make for many people will be like say today now the first time when they see you, and for many people when they don't know you, make them know the kind things where you they do. Yes, and before you play the music, make I tell people in case for now we don't know Richard. Richard na artist, na one of the EU industry artists. But the kind artist will be not be those quack artists. Because now music now is sing for Nigeria. Will be like say his wife, his Switzerland wife. His wife na Oyibo for Switzerland. Now music is sing for Nigeria where he and his wife, his present wife for Switzerland tell no. Where his wife they bring her come Switzerland. Because if to say he not sabi sing, I no believe say Oyibo go bring her come marry her. You una understand? For many of una wey be like say una no know Richard. Richard na one kind person for the industry wey be like say yes as he dey so he no follow Libya come. No be hungry make am dey sing.
No be lying.
Sing it all day inside and right from Nigeria. Na talent wey be like say before he travel come Europe, he don dey Nigeria before do music, he don go different shows. So wetin I dey wan try to talk in essence be say he na artist wey be like say he get the passion, he know he work, he know how to sing. Yes, but e sure that our people for here they get carcass. If you know that they are carcass, they no wan promote anything about you, and it's very bad because this EU industry so e get many some kind artists wey dem dey call whack. Me and you no know whether na that whack artist tomorrow na go bring about wetin go make dem dey hear about this EU industry. Because when I start comedy work, no be say I sabi, but for life, when you keep on practicing wetin you get passion for every day, with time you go begin you do better. You understand? So wetin I dey try to talk, make we try dey support people, dey encourage people, not be even with only with money. At least share person work, like e work, comment, because you don't know whether where you go share the work go. Now there the person destiny helper go dey wey go from there discover the person. That is why it's good to share. My brother, my friend, first of all, give us good music first. One of your music before you go introduce yourself.
No, be lie. I might give them Be Mine. MC Just Storage, Be Mine.
Okay.
I need you in my life, you. Baby, come be mine, you. I want you in my life now. Baby, come dance for me, girl. Baby girl, just dance for me, girl. I'm not gonna use you play. I'm not gonna do you and you. Baby girl, just whine it slow. Baby girl, just take it slow. I'm not gonna do you play. I'm not gonna do you and you. Baby, come be mine, yo. I need you in my life, yo. Baby, come be mine, yo. Come to my life now. Baby, come be mine, yo. I need you in my life, yo. Yeah. Baby, come be mine, yo. I want you in my life now. Now me and you today. No time for delay.
Yeah, comedy only matters. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you, MC just storage. I beg. Pause the music first. You understand? Pause our first. Make we make we discuss the matter where carry us from. Yes, first of all, for people who don't know you, introduce yourself by yourself.
Okay. God bless you, MC J Money. God bless everyone watching this program, this weekend cruise by MC J Money and MC Just Storage. I be the confirm. Yeah, I can't stress now. I be the confirm help my boy MC Just Storage, the baddest entertainer all the way from Nigeria. I sing, I entertain, I dance and all. I just did multi-talented. To cut the long story short and all that. That's MC Just Stories. The confirm Ekpo, my boy. Not only me, the confirm one.
Well, mainly, and they see some MC Just Stories for your back there where you sit down.
Don't be lying.
Greetings. Okay.
Greetings to everyone,
okay.
Yeah. I really happy. I really grateful for everybody where they watch this program this weekend, this Easter wash night. So God will bless everybody, and thanks so much MC J Money for your care since the one where this incident don't happen. Even people with me, I don't even send money to with my own money, my sweat. You don't understand. When we say they promised me heaven and earth, they never even call me till now. But God will bless you, man. God will bless you, MC J Money.
Amen,
you understand? Me, you never even do any business transaction. We go make you say, now I make you like me or one or two things. I just did surprise. Say, man, I really regard you, man. God will bless you. We want people like you for the industry to say, get human feeling, not be money feeling. Because the rest, waiting me, I just think now money feeling they not get human feeling. Now make the industry there stay so. And if we get people like you, set like you like this, and they'll say everywhere goes so Bobo. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. God bless. One love, man.
Thank you too. I said that compliment now as I did so on my shoulder. The way they raise them, one raise come up for my body.
Bro, you deserve her, not be lie. I just give you that compliment. You deserve her, not be lie. You really surprised me.
You.
You really surprised me. They're grateful, man. They're grateful.
Yeah. I really appreciate it.
So what me I go really like to tell everybody now and say me they share this program right now, invite their family and friends, their HR for everywhere for the industry, because this program will they do this weekend, this particular one, so we go make history, just believe. So thank you so much. Thank you.
He said, amen. He don't say well they want break boundaries and barriers. Then maybe now this one now I go take break boundaries and barriers.
Today. You don't break.
When we go over to the matter, you understand, because what he really bring about this your matter, I believe say when me and you, the first time when me and you see now for Austin, you understand, with Comedian King Obas, of which we really discussed that day where you and Comedian King Obas later realize say when you did Nigeria, when you never call, una don't get conversation before.
I don't be lying.
When at that day, that we come together, we can't really discuss. We come there together. We really enjoy that day for Austin. You understand? We really enjoy that day for Austin. If you remember. After the enjoyment, since there, and they follow you, they follow me on social media. But what made me get interest for this your matter now? Suddenly, I don't know what happened. I see you post pictures. You understand? The picture will really draw my attention. Now that one will be like say you take the grant. See you see about 3 doctors for inside whether that tram. About 3 doctors, arbitrary. See blood full ground, everything. So the thing can't really touch me. And what it really pay me pass? You dey hear me? I beg if una not the year, mo na right for under. Say una not the year. Oh. As I dey talk before. So now that picture really caught my attention. And what it really pay me, I don't see any EU artist or EU comedian or anybody say apart from you will post the picture yourself. I don't see anybody say post the picture, even say to wish you, which is one of us, quick recovery, or even they discuss on your matter, you understand? Like me, I not be say I not they do live video, but if you want really see me for live video, or I want watch my live video, enter King Obas page, Comedian King Obas page, either for Instagram or for Facebook. Now a page mostly now for they do live video, me and you must see me and now. But this your matter. Waiting make let me do the live video. That the time don't go. I don't feel really go King Obas side. So now make me like, okay, what is now still the same thing if I do one for us here? You understand? Now waiting drag me on your matter be that and before this incident, so I still say whether you they post for social media say you won't release album.
Yeah.
If I'm right. Say you won't release album.
I don't release the album. Now the videos them I shoot for hand. You understand? Out of all the you know the hatred we even can't even did this industry. Out of all the EU now, out of all the EU artists now, you see that they push now, they rush, they release EP. MC Just Storage now be the first artist will release USA album for the industry. But based on say most of them they feel say this guy too new for them to share, to post all those things. But me, I don't care, you understand? Because what me I tell people now say, now God the blow person. You understand?
Yeah.
If you work hard, God will blow you. You understand? Me, I not just me, I not there after to hate anybody. You come to me, you show me love, I show you love. You respect me, I respect you. I respect you, you respect. Now, so me, I just be. You know, I not hate anybody. That's just MC Just Storage. So, it really matter. I say, I just shoot my new video, which is MC Just Storage. This is the album where I drop. MC Just Storage Bless Me. Now I just drop and now I just shoot finish. I plan to drop that weekend. And that Friday last week, where this incident happened, so me, you see, devil, I just closed from work. Now the arrangements, me and my manager, my manager, what they here, would they do for hand? Would they go settle and all that for train where the incident happened? You understand? So the thing they spiritual somehow, you understand? If you check my post well, it was saying so my enemy go take die now, and so I for take die. They will say, and the post say this weekend though, he go drop one video, he don't die. God forbid bad thing. So because now they go do for hand with that one. Why just see a person just come with sharp knife, cut my head? You see now, you see I just even come on this band the even day now. You see the stitch and this are not the same that they want film or anything. They still sharp, better style. You understand? So even the ones with my chest, so I just wear pullover today and not because the weather gas just a day. I know people on the understand the thing just day. So even me right now, I just they have say. I demand now. I need to people. I get fans. I know that if they are not they happy, I have my fans something they happy. Now my own job is down. You understand? They don't need to show the sadness, the emotional expression for my face. I need to still keep them alive and tell them say everything will do well. You understand? So now be the main thing. We make me even still they try. They come out because this is not something to even not be something we say to even talk about. Knife. Imagine knife. You know now. If you took out better knife for chest, it go fall down even just the ego they shake, but if you not quick and tell to that guy, he go die. Not to talk of person human being. When they cut for head, they stab for head, can't stab for chest, they stab for inside train. This guy just come unaware. I don't even know. You understand?
Now you not do the person anything, no. You not hold money. You not carry a wife.
Nothing. See, my manager there here. Nothing.
I'm there.
Yeah. So many people not go to say nothing when me I do this person. As in now, just out of jealousy, out of an envy. Sudanese guy. You understand? He just they see me say, this guy. He just come which day that they showing music for Swiss TV, they show him for radio, they hear music for Swiss radio and all that. Nigeria Black, all of them. They go, they meet and say, we like this guy, they make music, see, in way. Now people, this kind of black people, now they find for the abroad, where they do all this kind of good thing, they make Europe proud. Now all those things enter the Sudanese head. You understand? Not be say I do this guy anything. The guy they prison now, he to say it they Switzerland news, they everywhere, not be something where they go live. So the thing says today man, not be something where person if you talk about. Now let me know it in me. I feel that moment. We say the only thing I remember say I tell God, say God, I beg you, I don't want to die. I swear, I don't do lifeless for grand. I just tell God, say, God, I beg you, I never want to die. I can never forget, say, I mentioned that word. That's it, God, I beg you, I don't want to die. I just look the guy, they laugh. The guy, they laugh. That is to show, say, this guy purposely can't do that thing. Think he say, yes, he don't accomplish the mission. They deport and they not deport, they not care. You understand? So, I don't know, me just be careful, they prayerful, you understand? Envy too much, envy, it big pass poison, you understand? For person to be envy person, the big pass me you just give person poison. That jealousy, that word envy, jealousy. Maybe the worst thing for this life. Where person can never not pray to anybody, say make he get anybody with the jealous or envy for around at all. It's very, very bad. So now, so the issue just take go, bros. I'm not gonna lie.
You know, say one of our old school musicians that time, he got one music where he sing. He said, "Jealousy is the root of all evil."
Evil, I swear.
Yeah.
Now it was any other thing for this life. Person still tell you now, say I go fight you. No man, that one feel tomorrow if you sleep forget. But jealousy, he not go tell you. But what you want to do in mind?
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So that one is a very, 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 very bad thing in this life, right? Away you say, jealousy. If you build rich person, so they not care. This one a broad daylight. They can't even move. I even think I say go even make a broad daylight so everybody go see. It will say na night, bros, no chance. So, bros, I tell you so, no chance because one, what you go enter people where say leave this. Two black men, may they kill themselves. If you say they do one kind of business together, or maybe they be drug dealer, may we not just leave. If not be God and my manager will deal with me that moment. Let me make them believe, say, okay, this will not be. We're not saying maybe not drug issue. Let me make the help quick come. If not, that's why you say, I did grateful to God. Though. It's to see she not did by me that day. What if it happen? You understand that?
Like one thing when I want to talk to. Because I did Switzerland with my family 2010. Then I just get one kid, my first daughter then, and my woman. So I did Switzerland 2010. You understand? You see waiting many people don't know what they do. Because you come Switzerland, you not sell drug.
I swear.
You not join the people where they commit crime for there. You just focus on your career where carry you come. You understand? That's now one good thing they do for that Switzerland. Because for Switzerland, when I did there 2010, every Switzerland citizen, they look Nigerians with that eye or say they are drug dealers. Whether you they sell or you know they sell.
Yeah, God bless you.
Yes, no matter how you clean, rich. Now they go even they advise you, Switzerland citizens, they go they advise you, say, go the evil they sell because you sell, you not sell. Now the same rope, now it's all of that. But you now, you go Switzerland, you not look, say, if you do this thing, money, then when you begin to, you focus on your career. You understand? You focus. One kudos when I go give you, they say, thank God, say you join one of the person where they give Nigeria a good name in Switzerland. You understand? Because the way they think of, when they get of the name Nigeria for Switzerland, the way they think of us, that they look us like monsters.
Yeah, like criminals.
Like evil people. People will be like, say,
they are nobody. Yeah, they are nobody.
Because I did here. I experienced many things when I not fit talk right now for here. You understand?
I feel you.
But that apart, you understand? So as you did now, so how you cut the cope? Because when we talk last, you did hospital. Now, so you did ask how you take the cope. Because I still they see your live yesterday, I see your live video. You see they asking. You see they happy, you not just they do like who anything happen to. How you tell they do which extra power which extra power you get. Yeah, because that day for hospital, when they interview you, people they sorry for you. People they shout for me, say, man, let this guy rest. You know they see condition. You understand? So what did they give you that energy? That energy.
Bros, there is nothing there is no secret power, you understand? Now just the dedication. You know waiting, there's something where you say you just dedicate your life, say, no matter how you go be, now what I want to do with my life with this one. Anyhow, come rain or come shine. You understand? Now what I want to do with this one. So you don't even need anybody to push you this time. Everything will just there. You just there. Now what just there be my own secret with that one. I'm so dedicated. I don't nothing if stop me. Even though make cannot chop, bros. This I think why they do. So though I never really they make money from this stuff what they do now, but now see investment for my life and my future. But I don't care. Yeah. I work hard. I work for Switzerland. Normal work from. Bro,
bros, if I tell you what they do for you, you go surprise. Say, nah, they do this one, they support themselves. But nobody go know all these things.
Yeah.
You understand? Nobody go know the pain, the tears where they behind all this. Only until they will just say, this guy, don't know that one again. Before you know, hatred don't come. They want to kill this guy. They just the envy him. We no go share. We go, wait till they saw guy. Then they tell me I side to man. God bless you. It's a gift from God. They will not be lie. Now just dedication, bro. See now. Can it mark is a client of BT?
I beg if you not people your share, not to stress yourself. Okay. Thank you.
Much. My manager there, she did do everything for me. God will bless you.
No, we'll talk to your manager.
Yeah.
We must talk to your manager. Because as she don't be your manager, so she go tell all of us manager, we not agree. She must manage us. She must manage us.
I just do for manager for Hallelujah in Europa. Yeah. Sorry, bros, for the breaking transmission.
No problem.
Manager for Hallelujah in Europa. Okay, no stress. We got that day. I really
have enough hours with you.
Yeah, no.
She call live. May we talk. She does speak English. She does speak English.
The English not too well.
You go to translate. But we still talk with us small. But people can't know her. Manager, good morning.
Good morning.
So how are you doing? How is everything in general?
Nice. Thank you. I'm fine. Thank you.
Okay, thank you too. Thank you. Because according to our brother, he said that you have been good to him. You understand? If not for you, maybe he might not even be alive by now talking with all of us. Yeah, but with you by his side all through, that is why he's strong. I bet your story should interpret for her. Make we get everything clear.
I guess when it's need to moments be like it been thought or so.
Thank you.
You say yes.
I make all.
Okay, you're welcome. MC Josuri, tell us, say, with the lack manager for the industry. As much as your manager, she go manage many of us, so because very soon that will be cost with that land.
I guess I do ask feel about it.
Oh, I know.
So tell him no problem.
I have many work with this man.
You say you get so many work with him.
Wow. Yeah. We really appreciate. Tell us say we appreciate them. May she continue the good work.
Exactly. Alles good. Danke for alles. Du machst alles gut bei mir.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Nice. Okay. Tell us we'll still call her before the live video go finish. We'll still call her on the talk.
Okay. That is good. All right, no problem. So that is good for the moment. You create them by in yet.
Okay. May we go on? You understand? Because what it make me like this live video. So like this live video what we do so you understand?
Okay.
Because everything when it happen, you know, say this life what we there, you get what I believe concerning you. Because the last time when we talk, you say from Nigeria, you don't first experience gunshot. When you begin show me all the mark.
Okay. You never finish now. Still day on this side now. You never finish. People when I did Austria, they won't even come out and before my wife born, we make me come here. I not come to draw him again. It's still there. I still get like 20 or 25. Why I still want to come out like this. So those things say people tire me like this. I don't even come know. She now only me did me. They want all I did them whiskey and co. They did we get money, get Lamborghini. Never kill those ones. When you talk of me, say I just start, which I don't do. I never even. This time
my brother. My brother, waiting me see for there. To me, the way me see everything. First of all, from Nigeria, you escape bullets. When you consider Switzerland, the guy Switzerland peaceful, rich. somebody attack you with machete. To me, God get purpose for keeping your life. When you, to me, you never discover that purpose. You understand? Yes, because bro. Many people where they die for Europe, Nigeria, anywhere, what did happen to you? One, you know, they happen to even half to them before they lose life. You understand? To me, God get purpose for your life. Where be like say yes, He get great purpose. Take it or leave it. God get great purpose for your life. Now make God, He still they spare you up to this moment. When me and you they talk, so you understand? Because I beg, show people, show our viewers all those marks, the one where you feel show. See her heart. See heart. See the shooking. Inside person heart.
They don't come out this plaster with the now. This one you see this one. They don't come out this one plaster. This one with the here, my priest. I don't this one. All those and see my. Okay. You can mark for me. So when I call.
What? Okay. Wait. Here.
Wow, God forbid.
Yeah, they want cut that finish, to press the chest. This one, the intestine, even the shoe. This one we even did. This one why they touch you. It start come out. I won't die. I say God, my intestine be this one. Wait till they saw. See my leg now. See they call my leg like bushmeat, like animal, like one kind press me. Oh, I don't just want to talk about these things again. See, they make me so. I say my dog see the guy now. I say my dog see the guy now. Oh.
No, if they make you they feel bad, then no need for we to talk about them. You understand? Because you don't want condition now. I don't want anything where go make your condition, where go come make you they feel bad. But I want to let you know, say the important thing for everything, they thank God. Tell you they are alive, my brother.
Okay.
Because God forbid bad thing, nice to say you're not there alive. Me and you for not there right now. You for the year for people. Social media for that guy na good guy, yo. That guy 2 9s, yo. You understand? Your enemy now forget all chances to take the happy. Thank God first for your life. Now life important. Pass anything. Thank God for your life. No regret anything. Always get and say, God get purpose for your life. And God won't use you in a bigger way. Now make all these things they happen to you. Where you they survive them, you understand? So I know call this live video to make you feel bad or come make you they feel like you understand?
No stress, but you know say that kind of thing now. If you want to tell people, you just they won't get one kind of flashback like quickly. The thing just happened last week, just still they fresh. You understand? I never seen something like 1 month where they say if you just quickly forget like that. See now, see blood everywhere. That blood will even post so. She even just out of rush, now she just quickly take that one. They say she take the real place where that one I crawl reach that place where you see that picture where I see I crawl reach that place where blood don't even from my head or my work clothes. Now scissors they do cut all those clothes you see from my body. They use scissors to cut them because blood don't soak everywhere. Finish the blood don't even finish on my body. So they, I've sent you, but this is not like when feel blood. So yeah, but more just thank God, everything just be like this, bro. So I know see, listen, I say, what I want even go do now that video, me what I want go run set to won't go set to everywhere, maybe they just drop that video, man, just reach out, maybe where they support or just they post, they go say I don't drop them, me they wash out for TV and all that. Then they just saying that devil. That's why they say that's in a plan work. Now for spiritual work, then they do that thing. Not be ordinary eye.
Okay.
You understand? Not be ordinary eye. Me, I tell you, bros, now on a spiritual level. This guy, I know on a normal day. On a normal day, you know, if he talk to me, not to talk or say, you want to come out blue. You understand? You know, if you talk to me, not to talk or say, boy, they not say you want to come out, they mad. This is just surprised me. I never, bros, it doesn't even see the guy. Say knife, me I get useful. I get usefulness with my life. If you not get usefulness, me I for even run or just push and just escape my own way. You understand that kind of thing? You know, God no go let person see you. Come turn person all kind, maybe person all kind dance also. I not be dance like that now. We person will just come, just carry knife. Even my papa said they dance like as the year he say, my picking person just go shoot car, he not do anything. No, he the best. I said, Me and them see. What I want to do? Best way you not see. Ah, God, have mercy upon person for this life. Ah, I don't see this guy. You just close from work. Now, me they go, me I always the focus on. Wait, and again, no man, Switzerland is secure. Who go expect that thing go happen? You understand?
No,
Even though if I'm not China, if you sit down, you smoke or anywhere, you feel they watch left, right, they observe. For me, Switzerland, broad daylight, not be night, bros, not be night. This happen for around 1 o'clock.
In the afternoon.
In the afternoon, camera there everywhere, people stay for ban off. Ah, God. Ah, no. It's hurt me.
They're so pathetic anyway. They're so pathetic. They're so pathetic. Yeah, come with my question. So kind of question when I want to ask you, because the interview, we get to ask some question, you understand? Because if to say I never go Switzerland before, maybe I will not get idea of artists they work for Switzerland.
Yeah.
But I don't go Switzerland, I stay Switzerland for 6 months at least before they deport me. That 6 months I studied the environment, I still know how the thing they play. You understand? Because for Switzerland, for this kind of matter to happen to person, maybe I know say some of our black for Switzerland there. Then they take some of our black Oyibo women.
Yeah. Now
you understand?
You don't want to say whether I call a person wife. No, now it's called me. The focus on music.
You know me. I want to talk.
No, I don't get time for all those things, bros. I swear. I check on my record, even for Austria, for everywhere I don't reach, for this Europe, where my leg don't reach. There's no way you ever see anything criminal. I stay Austria, they camp where they say I deal with even gangsters, bad people. They not took me. All of them, they come carry me because they say, man, they sing for them, they play with the child, no man. Then they just too like me. But this one, me say that jealousy grow for this guy too much. Sudanese, mumu illiterate, you don't even know anything. Arabic, boy, maybe na Boko Haram say for Sudanese before he come here, the thing don't they used to them to they keep people to they put all those mass of people then slaughter. You understand? A normal thing for them. You understand? They don't care. No. But anyway, we thank God.
No, that's the important. You see, Baba God for secure your life. You see as you they talk this story, so you see as you they talk this story. Many people don't go even believe her because the way they able to see you now, they talk after from weeks ago when the thing happened to you. Yeah. See the way you take Aja. So people not go able to for their mind. You should say the matter really severe, reach like this,
bro.
You understand?
I said, see, the guy cut this. He cut a rich neck side. This place where so you see, so that's how they use this thing. I never feel they move my neck well. That's why you see this thing. It always they my neck, and then I just they put on so that I not go. He cut and reach this, but I just thank God say not cut the vein where they turn the neck. He cut and reach this neck side. So till that moment, I not confused even turn my head again. The only two I just know say I just hold my head, I hold my belly. I want even go finish. I hold head, I hold belly, I hold chair, I hold leg. You know, cook on the committee on the hey God, I don't go expect me anybody experience fresh blood like say they just kill them and finish. You know, say they just, as they just keep meat finished and they won't come out the leg, they won't come out the back.
They see your own blood, they inside your own blood.
God, I don't come to breathe again that moment. Now I don't know, say, you don't finish. Now, so I think, now say they move. So, but thank God, say the police. I give all thanks to Polizei Switzerland, the emergency team. They just come with helicopter quickly, with oxygen, quickly move.
I trust Switzerland. I trust that country.
They come with helicopter everywhere, cars. They wait till they saw. Why this thing never happened before? She did there now. Yeah, 50 or 20 minutes. But the thing, they take time, safe. The thing take time because see that time when the thing happen, me see devil. Everybody they lunch break when the thing happen. They lunch break when they say that they eat for hand. Normal, they take, they take time like that. But for me to even still stand, for me to even still they alive till they bring all those things, easy. I try blood they come and she they hold me, she they jump up and down. I don't forget. She did she they jump up and down. She don't know. She would tell this guy me wait, say wait, what he go give
Sorry to cut you short first. Now because you talk about Allah make me want to. Somebody write for comment just that territory. He said from manager to wife. He said, I won't be the best man.
I see our sister. I see our sister. I see our sister. But look, everywhere good, bro.
Go on. Let her know. Tell her.
Yeah. You know now. Me, I did your side right from that. Tell me. Me, I did your side. Everywhere good. Gather day like Sunday now. Yeah, and now in the where I say officially, first person will go show me love for the EU industry. That's why I give them that maximum respect to date and all that. First person will show me love officially for the EU industry. I can never forget Terry Tommy and Nora Caro for Austria. That's why you see I really appreciate them so much. They don't know me from anywhere. They never even hear me before. You don't know me before. You understand? He just see me. They just see me that day. Say, who be this guy? Nora Caro introduced me to Terry Tommy. Say, blah blah. This guy, an upcoming artist, and so the thing just keep play. I just do 1 minute for them every scatter. They say, oh, correct, this guy now better start. So now she just take. I give her all that respect, man. I give her all that respect, and you too, man. God bless everybody. We don't support the journey from day one out of no string attached, like expecting nothing. You understand? That is now so myself they do my thing. I do my things. I don't expect you to reward me or whatsoever. I don't care. You understand? Now so it's supposed to be. You do well, you do well. I respect you. I respect you. You respect me. You love me. I love you. Now so life's supposed to be. You understand? So just So I really do appreciate it. You know, easy. Every time you say one day.
I agree to you. Yes, that takes us to another question. Yeah, because we know to waste time because I don't know how your head is strong. You really did. But the way they see you, I don't say that just the pay you they feel. If they give you chance, you go feel off from the rich band of. I don't say you fit take on
You know, now I know they stay one place. This is just I know I don't care active guy right from day one. That is just me. Even for Nigeria too, when this bullet wound happened, people they cry, they say, as I come out, bam, I carry Okada, go buy drinks for my guys. People they say, that guy they shoot today. Then they drive Okada, not just me. You understand? I know what many people come, they sit down, they cry, they mourn, all those guys. I'm just like I give give ginger to people. That's just me. Anyway, with me I enter, any party with me I enter, no matter the show as the show won't be. No matter every as it want to be. If I enter, just carry my, even though now it's one set, everywhere will boss. Now just the talent, now the star, not be saying I'm me, you understand? That's just me. I they like ginger people, even for critical situation. I just my girl, I would only laugh. She would invest. Why this guy they laugh? But later she will come get the motivation, calm, cool, say okay, the laughter even still helps more, you know that. That's just me. You understand? Not be saying anything they one kind extra power or anything. I not be one kind of person. So far say I know that I see they breathe. No now. Everywhere good for my own side. You understand? For me, I don't know for others. So as I say, me I see they breathe. I feel they chop and all those things. The rest now. You understand? Now so now just God, I give God all the glory for the strength, for the power, for the I don't just know. I just know. Like you take talk, who they watch, that particular thing where God they prepare me for, may it come to manifestation in Jesus' name. And they wait.
Amen. And it will come to manifestation with this. I go over to the next question. As you did now, so where you tell us with your condition, because you talk and just now say your woman born, how you take the cope with your present condition, family, the entertainment, how you take the cope in general. You don't already make sure say you they work. So I'm not here to ask you how the finance say they come or anything, but how you take the cope, family, career, work, everything in general.
You also say today one person go comment on my post say not be as I take day before. Yeah, go sure. I beg you.
You need a
no.
Shares, man. Let's share.
Cheers, brother. God bless, man. One love, man. For the
long life and prosperity.
Amen.
My brother, go on.
So, you understand? So, waiting, I go try. Never one kind of person will say, I just like to also. Like today now, you go see one comment, one person go post on my comment, say, you're not fine like before again. Now fine, I can't find for you, bros. Me, I can't also now. You understand? I tell I say I'm stressed. Now fine, I can't find. Others they do package that they find, and they'll still start for ban of going to do sorority for me. Meanwhile, they also you find you guys, you get bushy, you get everything. You come, they meet me, they beg me for money for ban of that one. Don't make sense now. Meanwhile, even this one, maybe like they see you never see one, you never even see one kind of thing where you say I don't do for my own self. You understand? So I want kind of person they say I they also. I not they wait for person to say give me or anything where my heart feel just tasty to pay also. I don't care any of the also. Dirty day, dirty not day. As far as you pay me, I work for you, finish. Better not be all this kind. Better work. We say even though not construction anything. I see for I they do. I they run now. No time. As far as I run out. You give me my money, no stress. So now so you just stay there. Not easy. I they pay for picking. They pay health insurance. They pay house rent and all that. It's not easy, and again, I'm not supposed to stop this one. My second picking, they come very soon, maybe next month or so. My wife will soon born and all that.
Congratulations. Thank God say you not die. Congratulations. Yes, that good news with that one. Thank God. God get why they keep you alive. God get why they keep you alive. For real. For real. Yeah.
I said, not be small thing, and so all those things, it's not easy. All my records for you, I tell you truth too. Not be say I be one kind angel, I be one kind Jesus Christ or anything. But me, I be one kind guy where be say I not come here come do all those things. Even for Nigeria, where they say people they do as they do Yahoo rich. Bros, when they tell you as they do Yahoo rich, till now I go tell you say me I know the join them they do Yahoo. I can say it, probably say it anywhere. Ask Tanya Boada, my girlfriend, will marry me. Come from Nigeria. She they deal with me, they search my phone. Most times she go come Nigeria that time. She not go even invite me. Come know what I did do. Maybe I did with another woman inside her house or anything. All those things. She will miss this guy just nothing. I know they pick me one of the best company in Nigeria. Pick me and therefore take the work. All those things. Even take the support my entertainment. All those things. Me I the one kind of guy where they say I go to work. I will still see music. All those things, this stress is not easy. All those things is not easy because you know, as an artist, you don't need stress. Everything they're supposed to do for you, clothes you want wear, everything we want chop, everything you need to just you don't need stress. Or everything we just need to do just to deliver that good music. They make people happy. Now the only thing they will need from me. But me, I did do work off as in you know easy. I know it's all my life till now. But I give God the glory, Sha. I give God the glory. Till now, nobody will come up anywhere say this guy don't do him bad or he don't do pan before or he don't do any. No. I they tell you again, I still they tell as Yahoo rich. I don't follow them do. I not say I hate people where they do. I'm same as well. People where they do level for year, they do business, all those things. I not hate them. You understand? Maybe one person say I don't want any little thing like this to dent my image. Because my image, my personality, I always it's very, very much more important to me than you giving me billions, you understand? So that's why you say anything we go dance my image, we go dance my character, we go make people all those things. I know they feel drum. You understand? That's why people they fear me, they say, I will be this guy. Remember one kind of guy will say, I get my own special way to do my things. That's why people don't even understand. Maybe they do draw, maybe they do this. I know they do, bro. I know they do. I swear, I know they do. God. But anyway, shall we thank God? That will not be the issue right now. But you know, it's in our work and also now push me reach where I did today. And my advice I will give people out there and say, so far say you still get and you still get leg. No wait for anybody to come give you anything. Just go out there. You go also, you go get money, you go make other things than crime and all those things. But anyway, we thank God. That's just it. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you. I bet may they put one of your music. You get one of your music when I really like. That music in my phone. But I don't really get anything to play. My dear, my dear. Give me that music, give me that particular track. That track is one of my favorite nights for your music.
you tell me that year now for even for Italy, say my promote that music well, see the music side. The love is real. Now I know say you really mean I'm say the love is real, man. My knocking for you, no stress.
I bet knock out.
No be lying, no be lying.
MC, my dear, mo fẹ́ràn rẹ. Ìfẹ́ tí mo ní sí ọmọ alẹ́ lápọ̀jù. Olómi jọ̀wọ́, mo fẹ́ràn rẹ. Ìfẹ́ tí mo ní sí ọmọ alẹ́ lápọ̀jù. Oh, I need you, baby. I'll never leave you on me. I'll always be by your side.
So baby, this one.
I'll never leave you, baby. I'll always be by your side. You're the one that who are my kiss, so baby, come close to me. My dear, oh, my dear. My
dear. Yeah. They say all work and no play. Mais Jacques est double. No double mess with MC Germany and MC Just Story. Yes, yeah. We are always happy. For real.
Imagine the initial verse for this one.
Yeah, this particular one, I feel like say my phone. This is your verse.
Yes, sir. The boss
Yeah, thank you very much, everybody online. Title now, that is Gabriel Wangwe. Gabriel Wangwe now one of another revolutionary, as I go take put a revolutionary artist. Wey be like say for the industry, that guy is really working hard. You understand?
I receive.
Yes, yeah, like I tell her before, say go get many enemies. Now normal enemies, now normal for life. You understand? Because we Nigerians, we always dey against best way they fight for the truth and for our betterment. That's so whether that cause or not, but that is the Nigerian blood. You understand? Me later know say yes, they go always fight against them. Yes, but what I go tell you, that is Gabriel Wangwe, aka Mr. Gabi. Keep on doing what you are doing. Yes, the sky will be our above. The sky will be our limit. Not the sky above. The sky will be our limit. Okay, MC Just Tourish.
Yeah.
MC Just Tourish. Make we go over to the next question. Your next question. Yes, one as God don't help you now. Say yes, you now you don't recover small. What will be your plan for the nearest future concerning entertainment, concerning your manager, concerning family things in general? What will be your next move after say God don't hear you finish now?
My next move, I say, as I said talk before, I just drop album. Maybe people just expect the videos of the album. You understand? A 14 tracks album. MC Just Story should say the first EU artist. I see they talk again. First EU artist to drop album for the industry is MC Just Storage USA. So 14 tracks, maybe they expect back to back. Say I dropped one before for the new year, this year. That one trend for trend for Nigeria. It's even the trend up to now and all that. I don't shoot the new one now. We say it's supposed to drop last week or so before this day happened. but we go unite, we go re-strategize, you understand, in a bigger and a stronger form, you understand. So and so just stay behind. Maybe just they expect more music, more videos, more good vibes for the industry till anytime, you understand. Me, I did here. This is my life, this is my future. Now I dedicate my life, now I dedicate my future to be down. And pertaining to my family and all that, I just want make them proud, you understand. Now that's just my aim right now. You know, say Swiss, Nigeria, half-class children, you understand. I just want them to know, say, our papa now one of the black person for Switzerland, we not do crimes and all that way. They make the country proud and even the Nigeria industry at once proud, you understand. That's just my aim and target, and I pray may God assist me to put Edo State Ekpoma on the map worldwide with my music, with my good doings and all that, with my entertainments and all, and to assist others in any way I could assist.